In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $21,274 in commissions with Pinterest affiliate marketing just in one single month using free traffic without any investment. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for people who want to start making money online with affiliate marketing using free traffic. This is the best video. I'll share with you guys which methods, which strategies I'm using to earn these commissions. How do I find good and profitable services or product that I'm promoting that people are buying from my affiliate links, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to start making some commissions with Pinterest affiliate marketing like this. And let's get started. So I have been doing this business, guys, for over 5 years, and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll share with you my method with Pinterest. Okay, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, this is the first step that you guys need to do. So go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website. Click on the first link over here, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website to get idea about how much you can earn with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying good commissions. So anyway, go back to this home page, click here on join now, and here you go. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliates program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, say no. Okay, and choose your country. So your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, India, any country. Okay, just search for your country from here and choose your language. And if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So what we will do next, we will go back to our home page on Fiverr. Okay, I'll share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest, and I'm still promoting this service, and it's making me a lot of commissions every single day. Okay, so pay close attention. Click here on the search and search for Pinterest marketing. Search for this one. So since we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links, we will use services related to Pinterest, services that can help people who use Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account and to grow their businesses on Pinterest. Okay, and this service is perfect for people who use Pinterest. That's why I choose this one, Pinterest marketing. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who provide this service about Pinterest marketing. What you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers. Choose like top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, level 1 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. I will click on this one. I will choose this seller. And here you go. This is the proof. You guys can see. I'm sharing with you everything. You see this? You can see everything here. Look at this, okay? 36 orders in queue. People already from Pinterest are paying for this service. Do you see this? 36 orders in queue. Look how many reviews. People keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing good service for his customers. And what's really make this service good, this service is evergreen service, meaning that people will keep buying this service again and again, okay, to grow their Pinterest account, which is really good. And for you, if a person buy this service from you, you earn a commission, good commission in the first for his first order, and you will keep earning 10% of every transaction this person will make on Fiverr for the next 12 months, which makes this business really profitable. So here is what you will do next. You will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click here on dip link. I will remove this. So for you, you should see just like this. Okay, let me show you. Click here, just click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you will go to Pinterest to promote this affiliate link. Let's go to Pinterest. So why we use Pinterest? Because this service is related to Pinterest, and also Pinterest has a lot of traffic. You should know that Pinterest is a search engine platform. It's like YouTube and Google. And people come to Pinterest, they search also for services, search for products and more. If we click here, let me show you. You guys can see here that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and if you are promoting services that can help people to grow their businesses. Okay, so what you will do next, open your Pinterest business account like this. It's better to open a business account and click here on home feed and click on create pin. And here you go. You need to upload a picture that you can use to promote this service. If you go back to this seller profile page, this seller has a video and this seller has also a picture here. Let me show you this one. So for you, it's better to go and use Canva to create your own picture. Go and open Canva, click here and search for Pinterest pin, okay? Pinterest pin like this. You will find a lot of template that you guys can use, edit and create uh, your own Pinterest pin picture. Okay, so like this you are making your own pictures, and Pinterest will start showing this pin more to more people. Okay, will start pushing your pins. It's not like copy and paste and use other people's pictures. So for example, digital market. For example, I will click on this one to show you, just to show you an example, guys. Let's use this picture as an example. I will click here on customize this template, and what you will do next, go back to this seller profile page. I will copy his title. I'm just giving you guys the idea. If for you it's better, give it time and design a good eye-catching pin picture that will get clicks and make you commissions. It's all about you, the content that you are using to promote your services. If you are not getting commissions, the problem is your content. It's not the business model. It's not like the problem is you are not making good content. Okay, it's all about making good content, good pictures that attract clicks, that get clicks and attract attention. Okay, so this is, for example, I will use this one, digital marketing, how to write a blog. I will delete just this one, this title, and they will put my title, for example, here. Okay, and I will make this title, for example, like this. Okay, and I will delete this text from here. Let me, okay, so for you guys, if you give it, like I said, if you give it time, you can design good eye-catching pins using just Canva. I'm showing you the example that you can use. This is my picture, for example, that I will use. I will click on share and I will click here on download, and I will click on download again, and I will get my own picture. So what I will do next, I will go back to Pinterest, I will click over here and I will upload my picture. Give it time, you can make better. Okay, and here you go, this is my picture. I will click on open And here you go. You see this digital marketing. I will manage, grow, and boost marketing as Pinterest queen. You see this? So here you need a title. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, copy again his title, and what we will do next is we will use ChatGPT to get a good Pinterest pin title that will get clicks. So go back to ChatGPT. So what you will do next, just go back to ChatGPT and click here. Go to Google search for ChatGPT, click here and use ChatGPT. Ask him this turn this title into Pinterest pin title and use good SEO to rank good. Okay, and I will put my title here. Put the title that you copy from Fiverr, and here you go. Okay, you see this? We have good title. Copy, go back to Pinterest and put this title here. Use ChatGPT, will help you a lot to scale your affiliate marketing business and make some serious commissions. Description, go back to Pinterest, to ChatGPT, ask him, make description, make a pin description from this title. Okay, like this. It's easy, guys. You see this? ChatGPT is very powerful. I will copy this description. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. You need to put here your affiliate link. So what you will do next, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 5 years and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest, and it's better to use landing page or to create an affiliate website, okay? And put your affiliate website link here or your landing page, and inside your affiliate website you can put all the services that you want to promote. So for me, I will for example, I will put my affiliate link here. Like I said, for you it's better to use an affiliate website or landing page or a blog. So click here, scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. And here you need tags. Go back to ChatGPT and ask him, give me tags. Okay, he will give you tags related to this Pinterest service that you are, to this Fiverr service that you are promoting on Pinterest. Pinterest marketing, you see this? Pinterest marketing, Pinterest growth, social media marketing, and so on. Put all those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. It will be like this. This picture, yeah, guys, you can edit this picture. If you scroll down, you see already people, you see those people who use Pinterest to promote their services or their product, they are using Canva to edit those Pinterest pins to get clicks. Do you see this? I'm sharing with you guys everything. Already people here making money. It's already they are each person promoting his own services, his products, and they are making so much money, so much commissions. You see, they are using the same Pinterest pin picture that we find on Canva. Okay, so for you, it's better, give it time and create better time do those, so you can rank in the first page and get clicks in your Pinterest pin picture, and those clicks will be turned into commissions and make you so much money. And that's it. And if you want to start making money online through affiliate marketing, I want to personally invite you to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that will help you to earn commissions as a beginner. I'm sharing all my secrets with you, step by step. How do I make every single month $15,000 per month with affiliate marketing using free traffic on from platforms like YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and more. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you. Also, the methods that I shared with you here on YouTube, they are working. You just need to stay consistent, do more research, make good content that will get clicks, and you can make money. Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more videos like this? Comment affiliate marketing and see you in my next videos.